In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new users, change the super admin email, and add email from addresses in your Zoho account. Whether you're setting up a new team or adjusting your current setup, these tasks are essential for managing your organization efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To get started, head over to the Zoho website. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on My Profile, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and then click on My Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account settings. On the My Account page, locate and click on Email Address, which is where you'll find options for modifying your email settings. Here, you'll see a section to add new email addresses. Click on Add Email Address, then type in the new email you want to use. After entering the email, simply click on Add to complete the process. Now let's switch gears and head over to Zoho CRM to manage user settings. Click on Setup, which is often found on the menu or settings panel. From there, navigate to Users, which will direct you to a page where you can manage existing users or add new ones. Next, click on New User. This action will bring up a form where you need to input the new user's details. Start by entering their first and last name in the designated fields. After you've added their name, type in their email address. Ensure that the email is correct, as this will be the primary mode of communication with the user. Once you've filled in the email, you'll need to assign a role to the new user. This step is crucial because it defines the permissions the user will have within the CRM system. Choose a role that matches the user's responsibilities in your organization. Following this, select a profile. The profile will further define the user's access level and the features they can use within the CRM. After assigning the role and selecting the profile, review the information to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied with what you've entered, click on Save. This action will finalize the process of adding a new user, and they'll receive an invitation to join your organization's Zoho account. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new user, changed your super admin email, and added an email from address. This setup ensures that your team and communications are well integrated and functioning smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help resources available on Zoho's website. Thanks for watching and happy managing!